Hi there, this is Dr. Lynch, the chair of the honors program at Rockland Community College, and I'm here to help you with your Focus to Career Reflection assignment that you are completing for your Introduction to the Schools course. The first step is to navigate to where the assignment is in Blackboard. It's found in Module 2, right here. And you'll see that the assignment asks you to click on the link to this Google Doc and then follow its instructions, so we'll do that first. The instructions in the Google Doc are in a few different parts. First of all, you need to make a copy of the document, then you need to fill out that copy that you made, then you need to save it as a PDF, and finally you need to submit it in Blackboard. We're going to go through each of those steps slowly so that you understand how to do them, and of course you can ask your instructor for with any questions that you have. First, navigate up to the top left where you will see File and click on File, then go down to Make a Copy. This is going to create a copy of this document that you have right here, and you are going to save that copy in your own drive wherever you want, and you will label it with your first name and your last name, okay? And then you will click OK. That will open the file into a new tab, and this is the copy of the file that you complete. So make sure that you answer all of the questions, that you do so in complete sentences, grammatical English, and once you are finished with this document, then you go ahead and you will save it as a PDF. To do that, you navigate to File and then to Download. You'll see here that when you look at download, you're given a lot of different options. And those options include a Word document or an RTF, a rich text format, but also a PDF. It's helpful to know this because if your teacher wants you to submit a future document as a Word file, but you don't have Microsoft Word, you can do so by creating the document in Google Doc first. Although you should note that Microsoft Office is available in free versions for everybody who is a college student by using your .edu address. So you can also have a copy of Microsoft Office yourself. But Google Doc is very easy to use and very versatile because it will allow you to save files in all of these different formats. We are going to choose today the PDF document. So we click on PDF, and in a moment you'll see that a little window is going to pop up on my screen, prompting me to save the file to my computer. I will click Save, and now that means that this file is available for me to use. Then we go back to Blackboard. Now it's time to submit this assignment. And to submit it, you click on the Focus to Career Reflection, not on the Google Doc link, but on the Focus to Career Reflection text there, and you'll see that you have some options. You want to attach a file because we just made a PDF. So you're going to browse your computer, you're going to select that file, you're going to click Open, and then you'll see that it appears here, right? Your PDF that you made appears here. The last step you need to take is to submit the document. You have to click Submit, and then your assignment will be submitted on Blackboard. Your instructor will be able to read it and be able to give you a grade for the assignment. Okay, so those are the steps that you want to take to do this assignment. Now, the only other thing I'll tell you about today is if you have not yet done Focus to Career, if you haven't gone through those assessments, if you didn't do that when you were joining the college community back over the summer, then you're going to want to do that before you do any of the assignment because you need to have your Focus to Career assessments in order to do this assignment. So you'll navigate to your MyRCC where you'll log in, and then you can click here on Focus To. You will need to create an account, okay, if you don't have one already. If you did not create an account over the summer, you'll need to do that now. I'm going to log in with my account, and I'll show you what you will see and what assessments you need to do. Okay, now these assessments don't take very long. So the good news is they give you a lot of great information, and they really don't take too much time. What you need to do to complete your assignment for the Introduction to the Schools course is to do all of these assessments, all 3 career planning foundations, and then all of the self-assessments. Okay, you'll see that I've done them all. I did them all for myself just to test them out. It did not take me that long, and to be quite honest, the results I got were very interesting. However, just remember, Focus to Career is a great tool, but if it does not come up with results that match how you feel, then you don't need to feel badly about that. That just means that you can add how you feel to the results that you got, okay? And part of your reflection assignment involves thinking about whether the Focus to Career results match how you feel and what your goals are. So I hope this has been helpful today. If you have any questions, please direct them to your Introduction to the Schools instructor, and take care, stay safe.